Hello, welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhandarist. Our department is Humanity and Science. Course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture obviously depend on matrices unit 1 chapter number 3. In today's lecture we have to most focus about inverse of a matrix using the adjoint 2 by 2 matrix. I give the shortcut format also first. Finding the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix using determinants, easy trick. A is equal to suppose A, B, C, D. Any 4 elements are there. Then A inverse, A raised to minus 1, it is called the A inverse, is equal to 1 upon D. D means what? Determinant of the given matrix. That is AD minus BC. So AD minus BC. Adjoint of this given matrix. That is what? Interchange D with A with D, and minus B minus C. So D minus B minus C, A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 upon AD minus BC in bracket D minus B minus C, A. This is the shortcut method we have to apply. But by mathematical way, how it is proved? To find the inverse of matrix of order 2 by 2, step number 1. A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Step number 2, adjoint of A is equal to A22 minus A12 minus A21, A1. We interchange these elements and we have to change the sign of A12 and A21. Step number 3, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is what? A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. So, we have to take the example based on this. Example based on inverse matrix of order 2 by 2. A is equal to 6, 5, 2, 1. I take the positive number. Does not matter. Adjoint of A is how possible? Instead of 6, we have to write 1. Instead of 1, we have to write 6. Minus 5, minus 2. I should write here 1, minus 5, minus 2, 6. Now, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. But determinant of A, how we have to find? 6, 5, 2, 1 is there. 6 into 1, 6. 5 into 2, minus 10. So, 6 minus 10 is minus 4. What is the determinant we derive? Minus 4. So, using this formula, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A, that is minus 4. We adjoint of A we derive 1 minus 5 minus 2, 6 we write here. So, we derive the A inverse is equal to this format by this example. ABCD inverse directly I take is equal to 1 upon AD minus BC means determinant and D minus B minus C A, that is adjoint. Let us take example based on this format. 4, 7, 2, 6. We compare A is equal to 4, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 6. So is equal to. We have to put in formula 1 upon AD minus BC. What is AD? 4 into 6 minus BC 7 into 2. Okay. Now D minus B minus C A. D become now 4 minus 7 minus 2 and here 4. So 6 minus 7 minus 2, 4. We have to compare with this. We know that 6 4s are 24 minus it is 7 2s are 14. 24 minus 14, 10. So we have to divide each element by 10. We derive an answer in a format of 0 point. Yes. 0.6 minus 0.7 minus 0.2 minus plus 0.4. We have to divide each element by 10. Okay. So it is easy way you have to understand. ABCD raised to minus 1 is 1 upon AD minus BC. D minus B minus C A. Find the inverse 2 into 2. Example, find the inverse of A. A is equal to 2, 4 minus 4, 10, minus 10. So, A inverse is equal to, we put the value of A, B, C, D. So, 1 upon 2 into minus 10, minus remain as the same, minus 4 into 4. Instead of 2, we have to write minus 10. instead of 10 minus 10 we have to write 2. Sign will be changed. 4 instead of 4 it is minus 4. Instead of plus minus 4 it is plus 4. So minus 10 minus 4 4 2. So minus 10 into 2 20. Minus 4 into 4 minus 16 minus plus 16 it is minus 4 because 20 minus 16 it is minus 4. 10 minus 4 4 2. We have to write same. Now we have to divide minus 4 to each and every element. So we derive the minus 10 upon minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 5s are and 2 2s are 4. So 5 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 4. It is obviously 1. Next 4 upon minus 4. 4 4 get cancelled, minus 1. 2 upon minus 4. That means what? 4 is divisible by 2. So 1 upon minus 2 is the final answer. So we derive the inverse of 2, 4 minus 4, 10. 5 upon 2, 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Next example, A is equal to 4, 3, 5, 4. We have to find the inverse of this example. So I highlight here 4, 3, 5, 4 raised to minus 1. We have AD minus BC. D, A minus B minus C. So we put the values of comparing A, B, C, D. So we have know that 4 into 4 minus 3 into 5. Instead of 4 it is interchanging, same remain is there. 4 4 remains same, but only sign will be changed, minus 3 and minus 5. So we should write 4 minus 3 minus 4 5 4. So we have to put the 1 upon 16 minus 4 4s are 16 minus 3 into 5 15. Now 4 minus 3 minus 5 4. So 16 minus 15 it is 1. So we have to divide 1 by each and every element. The answer remains same. So what is the answer of the A inverse of the given matrix is 4 minus 3 minus 5 4. Okay. So we define this way. Again give the format minus 9 minus 2 1 minus 3. More minus are there, so be careful. AD we have to change AD. Minus 3 minus 9. Minus 2 become plus 2 and plus 1 become minus 1. AD minus BC. Minus 9 into minus 3. 1 minus remain as the same. Minus BC 1 into minus 2. So minus 9 into minus 3 plus 27. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So 1 upon 29. Minus 3 2 minus 1 9 remain as same. We have to divide 29 to each and every element. We remind this answer is same. Minus 3 upon 29. 2 upon 29. 1 upon 29. 9 upon 29. Minus is remain same. So it is in a different pattern. We derive the answer in a different pattern. Again same trick follow. A is equal to ABCD and A inverse is 1 upon AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, A. AD minus BC is determinant of A denoted by DTA. No matter, module is also suitable and DTA wording is also suitable. Example, A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 4. Our A, B, C, D. Comparing and putting this format, 1 upon AD minus BC. 4 into 2, 3 into minus 1. So 4 2s are 8 and minus minus plus 1. 8 plus 3, 11. Adjoint of A, D minus B minus C, A. D is what? 4. 4 plus 1 minus 3, 2. So we write 4, 1 minus 3, 2. It is the adjoint of the given matrix. 1 upon 11 remain as the same. 4, 1 minus 3, 2 remain as the same. If we divide 11, not any term cancel, so we derive the final answer 4 upon 11, 1 upon 11, minus 3 upon 11, 2 upon 11. So from these all the example, we note that it is very easy step as compared to A11, A12, A21, A22. Always remind that the format A is equal to A, B, C, D. Then A inverse is equal to 1 upon D. Means what? D is equal to AD minus BC. And adjoint of A is defined by D minus B minus C, A. That means interchange of AD and change the sign of BC only. It is not interchange always. Only D and B, AD is interchangeable. So example for practice, A is equal to 4 3 3 2. Find A inverse by using adjoint method. If A is equal to 3 5 1 2, find A inverse by adjoint method. If A is equal to -1 3 2 minus 4, find A inverse by using adjoint method. I shortly given the answer of these, so you must check out by solving each and every example in a notebook. Okay. Adjoint of A is 2 minus 3 4. Now determinant of A is 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 9 minus 1. So you put the values in formula and we derive the final answer. Now A is equal to 3 5 1 2. What is the adjoint of A? I first define 2 minus 5 minus 1 3. It is adjoint. Then determinant 3 into 2 6 minus 5 1. 6 minus 5 answer is 1. So determinant is 1. So final answer is the adjoint of A. In this example, what is determinant we have to check? Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So D value is minus 2. Now adjoint of these matrices we defined as a minus 1, 3 and 2 minus 4. Be careful. Adjoint of A is given by minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and here is plus 1. So from using the adjoint method, we have to solve many patterns of the example using our very important formula. You must revise, that is what? A, B, C, D. Then A inverse is equal to 1 upon D. D minus B minus C, A. How to define? It is D is how? We have to find the determinant of given matrix. Always remind that. What is the determinant of given matrix? AD minus BC. Then final is A inverse is equal to 1 upon AD minus BC, that is D minus B minus C, A. Always the determinant in the inverse not equal to 0. Why? If we derive the final answer is 0 of determinant, then the A inverse is not possible because we finalize the adjoint of the matrix, but it is not possible. So that's remain as modulus of D, not which format? Not equal to 0. That means the given matrix is always non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix definition is what? Determinant of given matrix not equal to 0, then that is called non-singular matrix. And determinant of given matrix is singular when determinant of D is of given matrix is 0. So always remind that D not 0 always when you finding the A inverse. Calculation is perfect. Negative into negative positive. Negative minus sign is common, plus is there. Negative plus positive, bigger sign is allotted. So with using the matrices chapter, we have to must calculate the basic thing, remind that. So note down the example which are useful to solving the A inverse method. So both way you have to use you use A11, A12, A21, A22, or better way you have to use A, B, C, D. The A inverse is equal to 1 upon D. Then D minus B minus C, A. That is the overall pattern is used to solve the example of the A inverse defined by the adjoint method. So today's lecture we complete the very important topic that is totally based on the our main formula A inverse. So be sure today's lecture is over.